All of our removable cover weighted blankets ship with the cover already on the inner weighted blanket. So the first step in replacing your removable cover is to locate the LUXOME tag on the blanket, and if you move inward away from the corner, you'll find a small zipper. If you unzip that zipper, you'll then access the inner weighted blanket, and you'll see the cover and the inner weighted blanket are two separate pieces. Now if you look on the inside, you'll see the inner weighted blanket is tied to the cover. All you need to do to replace your cover or wash your inner weighted blanket is untie all the ties securing the inner blanket to the cover. What a lot of people do is actually turn the whole blanket inside out so you can access all the ties at once without having to reach all the way into the cover. And then you could access all the ties to make it a bit quicker. And then to put everything back together, you simply reverse the process and then